Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a shine effect in After Effects. Begin by adding a logo in the timeline and then go for this effects and presets and search for CC light and add it to the logo layer. Then in effect control, make sure light sweep is highlighted. That way you can see that indicator in the preview window, which we can click and drag to move the light sweep around. But before we animate it, we have to adjust it how it looks. So in effect controls, we can change its direction. We can select a different shape. I like to select smooth. We can make it wider. We can make it more intense and stuff like that. So just play around with the values and find the desired look. And once you are happy, we have to go for this time indicator, the start of the layer. Make sure you select the light again so it's highlighted. Bring back the indicator and we are going to move it to the left or right of the logo. Make sure it's not visible. Then create a keyframe across to other side. Make sure it's not visible. And then if we have a preview, we should have this light growing across, and it's that simple. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make a shine effect in After Effects. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.